Alright, we're going to operate the log loader here. You can see the controls for it there, and the actual system is shown here. Okay, pressing one button, if I get the correct button, will get the logs to go up. Okay, you can see the logs going from the bottom to the top. Whoops, I screwed it up.
We needed a car there.
Step A is to move the train before the logs go. And we had a engine direction button here. We'll push it for reverse. And an engine run button, and I can back the engine up. And he's got diodes so I don't back it off the end of the track. Now we'll push the log loader button again. Okay, now we put the engine direction to forward and push the engine run button, and again he's got a diode so I don't go off the end of the track that way. Now we push the log car dump button, and you can see the logs dump back into the dumper, and we've just completed the cycle, all pretty much foolproof and operatable by the public. They got buttons here, you can operate this thing as I'm doing. Over there is a barrel loader I was operating on the other clip. Log loader, I should say. Here's a train whistle button. Amusement park ride. I'm pushing the merry-go-round button here. Ferris wheel button. We have a roller coaster of sorts. It's not in operation right now. Crossing gate button. Operating caboose. Brakeman on top of car that you maybe can see going back and forth. Lumber car. Button here for lumber car. Button for lights.
I'm behind you.
Log loader. Button for a light tower. Oh, watch this. We got an S-helper train. I'll push this button down here. That automatically starts that engine on about a 20-inch diameter curve. It'll come around to the log loader and automatically stop. My hands are free. You can see one on the camera, one here. It automatically stops itself, activates the log loader, picks up a log, which it missed that time, but normally it would drop that log in a car. Then the train automatically starts up and goes around to its spot where it was sitting and stops. Then when the button is pushed, that sequence will repeat.
Please do. Thank you. A couple times I started out and it wasn't there.
Interesting lighted signs going on here. Some of these buttons have been, people remove stuff already. It's almost tear down time, but this construction site's still working. You can see maybe some construction vehicles operating. the camera car in that last train, that 080 that just went by, that actually puts on a TV screen what that camera car is seeing. There are a table full of accessories on the one end of the layout. See if we can get the overall layout in here. Back to the accessory table. Okay, we have some more buttons I can push. We got a freight station button here. Baggage man, button for that. Shooting gallery.
Step right up, test your luck, try your marksmanship, and knock over our stuff.
You know, button to operate that accessory. There's an 080 and an 060 pulling that train. An interesting combination of valuable engines.
Did you have to visit the platform from the corner?
Button to operate this depot also. Got the barrel loader.
Okay, now it goes down that way.
Another whistle button for that. Crossing gates button for that. Cattle car loader button for that. Cow on track, but I think that's disconnected. Car wash, or the car's been packed away. Beacon button to operate that beacon there. Walking brakeman button for that.
Hey, is there a box for your windmill?
No, it's just the straight and that end straight.
It's the license.
The personnel busy packing things up as I'm filming.
Purple truck.
Okay.
As soon as we get all the house